In this video, I'll show you how to invest in JEPQ on Robinhood for income step by step. If you're looking for an investment that aims to generate regular income while providing exposure to the stock market, JEPQ may be an option worth exploring. Start by opening the Robinhood app and signing in to your account. Tap the search icon and type JEPQ into the search bar, then select it from the search results to open its information page. Take a few moments to review the fund's overview, recent performance, holdings, distribution history, and expense ratio so you understand what you're investing in. Once you're ready, tap the Buy button. Enter the amount you want to invest or choose the number of shares if that option is available. Carefully review the estimated cost and all the order details before confirming your purchase. Follow the on-screen instructions to submit your order. After your investment is complete, open your portfolio and select JEPQ to monitor its performance and review any income distributions credited to your account when they are paid. Consider checking your investment regularly and adding to your position over time if it fits your financial goals. Remember that investment returns and distributions are not guaranteed, so always do your own research and invest only what you're comfortable putting at risk. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.